Welcome back in the pursuit of wealth, everybody. It's Rod with POW Group, your home for MJ Stocks, crypto assets, news, and interviews. Today is Thursday, July 17th. It's XRP all-time high day, and it's also put an end to $1,000 clickbait day. This has to stop. You've got names like Jake Claver, you got Mickle XRP saying that XRP is going to $1,000. It's just ridiculous. Like, these people are getting paid thousands of dollars for their YouTube content, and now we know why. I'm not saying they don't do a good job. I've been a fan of both of them up until now, but when I see nonsense, I'm always going to call it out. I'd much rather, make a video and get 200 views and help you all make $800 versus trying to get as many views as possible, give you no value, and me make $800. This is what these numbskulls are doing. They're giving you fluff. They're giving you clickbait. They're not giving you any new information. Most of the time they're on vacation and they're just, on there just clickbaiting. Like, I'll show you here in this video. It's absolutely ridiculous. It has to stop. $1,000 XRP is dumb. It could happen, yes. It's designed to go to $1,000, yes. But let's get over $10 first. Let's get over $100 first. And then we'll talk about $1,000. It's just the stupidity has to stop. And the people that are clicking on these videos, you're just enriching them, right? You want to click on the videos that actually give you value. I posted a video 2 days ago saying that XRP was a daily bull flag. I'm giving you data, logic, and reason. I'm not giving you my thoughts and opinions and fluff and bullshit and clickbait. I'm giving you chart patterns that have irrelevant of what I think or believe or want to happen. I'm telling you what the charts are saying based on technical analysis 101. And then literally a couple days later, it basically hit that target. I said 376 when the price was at like 310. And here we are, almost at 376. What are these guys doing? They're just giving you clickbait and you're giving them $800. It's ridiculous. It's time for this to end. It's not going to $1,000 anytime soon. Okay? If you're holding for $1,000, okay, great. I have a plan for $1,000 XRP. But base case scenario, best case, it's going to get there like at the base case, maybe like $20 to $25 base case. Like, I would say that's even on the high end this cycle. If we get to $100 this cycle, we're lucky. If we get to $1,000 by 2035, we're lucky, in my opinion. Like, do you know what the market cap with that of XRP would have to be? Like, it doesn't take a genius to figure this out. So we'll discuss all of this and more. Before we do, make sure to smash the like. If you're new, you can subscribe, take the bell. You'll get actual great information, not fluff, not clickbait. I'm not here to clickbait anybody. I'm here to make people money and teach you everything that I know so that you don't have to make mistakes, spend hours and hours and hours. I'm not here to give you clickbait and fluff and leave you with nothing. Just hopium, It's just so annoying. But anyway, not financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. Follow us on X as well, formerly Twitter. Handle for that is @GroupPow, getting a ton of followers over there, over 1,000 views already in a very short period of time. So here you go. You got Mickle XRP. I know he's gaining in popularity. He went from like 50,000 subscribers to over 100,000 subscribers in a couple months. But again, that's what happens when you fill people full of bullshit. Like, look at this. He's on vacation. XRP sell now 1,000x. Like, what does that even mean? Like, what? Like, in the video, he's talking about buy and not selling. So why would you put XRP sell now unless you're totally trying to clickbait people? He's got 81,000 views, folks. I make videos for a living. Well, sorry. I make YouTube videos, and I know what people make for a living. I don't make this for a living. My content is 80 to 90% cannabis, which finally just started getting monetized. I was making 80 to 90% of my videos weren't even getting monetized. That just goes to show you how much I care about YouTube revenue. I cared zero. I care about passion and helping people. This guy's, you know how much he made on 81K views? He probably made $700 to $800 just on this one video yesterday. And his thumbnail doesn't even make any sense. He's talking about selling early. His thumbnail says XRP sell now 1000x. What the hell does that mean? It should say don't sell XRP now. He says XRP sell now, and then everybody's thinking, oh, should I sell? Oh, well, is it going 1000x? Like, it's just such disingenuous content. Disingenuous as hell. And then the next one, I was literally on a live stream. If you go to my channel and click on live stream, I was literally just on a live stream criticizing Jake Claver for being an idiot and talking about this. Look, he goes, will XRP hit 1K in 2026? I think that used to say 2025 and he changed it to 2026. But there was one saying 2,000, 2K XRP this year. What kind of drugs are you on? Like, is this guy on like meth? Like I would say best case? Like, what are you smoking? Are you literally Like, anybody who believes this is just, you're enriching them full of bullshit, right? They're presenting you bullshit, and you're like, oh, please feed me bullshit, and here's in my attention, and you get paid money. He's already got 23K on this $1,000 stupid video. Like, he's not even in front of a computer. He's on vacation, and he's making thumbnails saying XRP $1,000 next. Again, how about we get to $10? How about we get to $100 and then start pumping out the $1,000 thumbnails? Like, it just has to stop, folks. This is so stupid. It makes my brain hurt. And the fact that people are like he's already made probably $300 off this video, right? This one just yesterday, like I said, probably $700 or $800. Jake Claver, off of these videos, 189K views. You're literally giving these people hundreds and thousands of dollars to click their nonsense BS. And what are you getting out of it? Nothing. What are you going to probably do? You're probably not going to sell whenever the bull market is nearly over. You're going to see the price go to 20 or 30 bucks, maybe 50 on the high end. I would think at the absolute high end. Maybe $100, but I can't see it going any higher than that. I mean, I will gladly come on here and apologize if it goes to 1,000. Excuse me, 1,000 or 2,000, right? Like, I don't know. Like, do I have to come on here and apologize? Maybe, but I doubt it, right? Like, come on now. And I even posted a video saying 4 major reasons why XRP is going to $14 to $16 this cycle. I don't come on here and say, I think it's going there. I hope it's going there. Maybe it's going there. I believe it can. I hope it can. I wish it can. I'm manifesting it. No, I give you 4 major reasons based on logic, data, chart analysis, and technical analysis, and what data shows, right? Actual substance. Not just hopium and clickbait friggin' thumbnails saying $1,000. And literally yesterday I posted a video. Let's go to videos on my channel. I said yesterday, 1 day ago, bull flag confirmed, target 376. When did the bull flag confirm on the daily? In that video. As soon as we broke 310. Sorry, no, it was, let me see here. It was 30... What? Something's... I got like a smudge on my monitor. There we go. Or like a pixel that's not working or something. Let me go here. Was it 310 on one exchange? No, it was 303. Okay, so it was 303. It's been a busy few days, folks. So we have our low, high, and I even had it drawn out here. So actually I removed it. So this will be a good learning exercise here. And again, not just clickbait. I'm teaching you how to do stuff, right? I'd rather 200 people watch my video and you all make $800 versus, 200,000 people view my video and me make 1,000 or 2,000, right? Like who the hell cares? I'm here to help people, not enrich myself. So let me just blow this up a little bit here. And XLM was the same thing. So if you go from the low there to the high, it was a very brief consolidation, and it wasn't even that it wasn't even that evident. It was more evident here on Coinbase. There you go. So if we just get rid of that, so we had our low, high, brief higher low, and the same thing was on XLM. So you need to be watching the XLM as well because they both move kind of in lockstep. Let me just get rid of some of this stuff so you can see it. So here was our daily bull flag targeting 376. I made a video saying 376, not $1,000 this year, $2,000 this year. I gave you data, logic, and reason, and I showed you on the chart, and here we are. Imagine that. Like, it's just so ridiculous. We also had a bullish triple thunder crossover, price crossing above the 10-week moving average. Stochastic and MACD bull cross. Last time that happened, we went from 60 cents to 340. More data, logic, and reason. We're well above all of our weekly moving averages. We're close to seeing a daily golden cross here in the next couple of days, meaning a lot more upside. While I was doing this live stream today, I even said, hey, what are the chances we've got a 5-minute bull flag or something on the shorter term time frames? I zoomed in, and it was an ascending triangle. And I actually drew this in the video. You can watch it. And I said this is an ascending triangle forming. And we have a target of 360, and you want to use the real candle bodies as much as possible. And in this instance, it actually ended up being perfect 3 touches. And then you bring it over here, and then you get your measured move there from the high to the low. Watch this, folks. You literally can't make this stuff up if you're the biggest bullshitter on earth. Here we are. I said target about 360. I think it was, okay, I know what I did. I didn't use the real candle body. So again, I just messed up my own logic. So this is what I said here. Use the real candle bodies as much as possible. Oh, look at that, folks. That's just a thing of beauty. And then we topped out right at resistance. We came back to our previous resistance as old support. $1,000 moon heads wouldn't tell you that. They wouldn't give you logic, data, and reason. They just give you hopium. But this is called learning and being, educated. Not $1,000. We're going to the move tomorrow. Like, I couldn't believe it when it said $2,000. I thought about trying to reach out to one of these clowns, but you know what? They don't even deserve my time. If you're gonna just use people for their views, go fuck yourself. I speak for everybody when I say that. Stop posting $1,000, $2,000. Let's get over $10. Let's get over $20. You fucking idiots. That's an end of this. Stop it. It's stupid. Share this video with these idiots because, oh my God, it has to stop. Like, stop sacrificing people. You're ruining their lives. You're getting them to not sell. Have a plan for $1,000, but don't just feed people full of $1,000. Like, it has to stop, folks. This bullshit. Okay? Stop clicking on these videos as well. Stop making them richer. Start focusing on yourself, educating yourself, empowering yourself, learning stuff, not just clicking on hopium. Anyway, I digress. Hope you have a great night.